We all know how powerful emotions are. They can lift us up, make us feel invincible, or bring us crashing down, making everything feel so heavy. But in a world where everything is moving so quickly, with technology moving faster than we can keep up, there's one question that keeps echoing in my mind. What happens to our emotions in this new world? Will they evolve? Will they stay the same? Or will they become something we never thought possible? Something completely new? Welcome back to Spill Edge. Technology has made life easier in countless ways, but can it also make us happier? It sounds futuristic, but we're seeing more tech designed to enhance our emotional lives, whether it's VR headsets for relaxation, apps that track moods, or AI companions that listen when you need to talk. But can something so personal and human, happiness, emotional well being, be improved by tech? Let's dive in. Emotion technology has roots in familiar tools we already use, like curated music playlists designed to elevate our moods, or fitness trackers that promote physical health. These devices have long tapped into the connection between our emotions and well being. But today's advancements take this concept further. We now have wearables that can directly track our emotional states by monitoring physical signals. For instance, AI powered mental health apps like Visa offer personalized emotional support. Using AI driven conversations, Visa helps users manage stress, anxiety, and even depression, offering coping mechanisms right at your fingertips. There's also VR, where you can escape to calming environments, whether it's a beach at sunset or a quiet mountain. These immersive experiences may sound like luxury, but they're increasingly used for mental health. Therapists are using VR to help individuals confront anxiety or stress in controlled environments, allowing them to practice coping strategies in a safe place. Overall, these developments in emotion technology represent a significant step toward personalized emotional management, making it easier for individuals to monitor and enhance their well being. As these tools become more integrated into our daily lives, they offer new avenues for understanding and improving our emotional landscapes, opening up possibilities for a more mindful and emotionally aware society. The rise of emotional technology brings with it a significant ethical dilemma. Should we really be trying to engineer happiness? On one hand, these tools offer innovative ways to manage and enhance our emotional well being. On the other, there's a concern that we might be cheating ourselves out of genuine human experiences. Are we merely finding smarter strategies for navigating our feelings? Or are we compromising the authenticity of our emotional lives? Anecdotes from mental health experts highlight the potential pitfalls of what's been termed the gamification of happiness. Many apps now reward users for logging their moods or completing emotion related tasks, treating feelings as if they can be tracked and improved like fitness goals. While these features can encourage engagement and self reflection, there's a risk that users might become more focused on accumulating points or badges than on addressing the deeper issues that contribute to their unhappiness. This shift could lead to a superficial approach to emotional well being, where the pursuit of happiness becomes a numbers game rather than a meaningful journey of self discovery. Imagine a future where everyone's wearing mood tech and the world becomes about optimizing emotions. In such a world, we might find ourselves questioning the authenticity of our feelings. Are they genuine expressions of our inner lives, or merely reactions prompted by algorithms? Ultimately, as we explore the potential of emotion technology, it's crucial to strike a balance. While these tools can provide valuable support, we must remain mindful of the importance of authentic emotional experiences and the complex nature of what it means to truly feel. The potential of technology to enhance our happiness raises an important question. What happens if we begin to depend on these tools? There's a real risk that individuals may start losing the ability to manage their emotions without digital assistance. Just as the dopamine loop of social media keeps users coming back for likes and shares in pursuit of validation, a similar pattern could emerge with mood enhancing technology. People might become reliant on these digital tools to elevate their mood rather than developing the resilience needed to cope with life's ups and downs. This dependence could create a cycle where individuals feel that they can only achieve happiness through technology, undermining their ability to process emotions organically. Imagine relying on GPS for navigation. While it's incredibly useful, over reliance on such technology can diminish our natural sense of direction. Similarly, if we lean too heavily on emotional tech to boost our happiness, we may struggle to understand and manage our feelings without it. This dependency on technology could have broader implications for mental health. The ability to sit with discomfort, process emotions, and cultivate self awareness are crucial skills for emotional resilience. If we increasingly turn to devices to solve our emotional challenges, we may inadvertently short circuit the development of these essential life skills. As we embrace the benefits of emotion technology, it's vital to maintain a balance. These tools should complement our emotional intelligence and coping strategies and not replace them. Looking ahead, emotion technology has the potential to significantly transform society. Picture workspaces equipped with stress monitoring sensors that automatically adjust the environment, dimming lights, changing temperature, or even altering workloads in real time based on employees' emotional states. Similarly, imagine classrooms where mood based AI customizes lessons to fit students' emotional needs, fostering a more engaging and supportive learning experience. Recently, some companies have begun experimenting with emotion AI to assess employees' moods during video calls. While this technology can enhance well being by allowing managers to respond to team morale more effectively, it also raises concerns about privacy and autonomy. The prospect of employers tracking emotions could create safer workplaces for some, but it might also lead to a culture of micromanagement where employees feel constantly scrutinized and pressured to perform. As we explore the possibilities of emotion technology, it's essential to strike a balance. While these advancements offer exciting opportunities to improve happiness and well being, we must remain vigilant about the implications for personal privacy and emotional autonomy. The pursuit of happiness, as the saying goes, might be best guided by personal growth and self discovery rather than solely through the lens of digital applications. By fostering an environment where technology complements human experience rather than dominates it, we can cultivate a society that values authentic emotional engagement while harnessing the benefits of innovation. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you'll always catch our latest updates. This is the ninth episode in our series, The Future of Humanity. And if you're curious to see the rest, check out the full playlist. It'll pop up right here in just a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of this journey with us. Until next time, take care and see you soon.